Hello folks, I'm out here doing a new building construction inspection, but I wanted to share with you is that we're getting ready to pour our concrete footings, and this is how you see it's all set up. And I want you to share with you here how you can see our steel's all running through here. You see our double row, and you see how it's all formed together, and then you can kind of see the outline of everything. Look at this is how they do it. And they take that steel and they go continuously around our corners, tie everything together. That's very important how they tie this together so as that we don't have crackage in the corners. And so we not only got steel in our concrete walls, we actually got steel right inside of our footings. So it's very important that you see this, and so you can see how it all ties together. And hey, thank you for watching our videos. We're doing a whole series on construction foundations. We're actually getting ready to do an exposure of rip-offs of foundation companies. So hey, this is a great job, doing good. Thank you. Hit like and subscribe. We appreciate you.